4 days ago, I gave you a long trigger that already pumped 3%, but trust me, this is not the end of Bitcoin's move. With the Fed likely cutting rates this week, Bitcoin could literally take off. Let me explain and share you the big picture structure and the exact new triggers I'm watching right now. All right, before we dive into the chart, let's quickly check Forex Factory. As you can see, on Wednesday, we have the Federal Fund rate decision. Forecast suggests a rate cut, and since it hasn't been reduced for a long time, this event could pump both the stock and market and crypto. So this is extremely important, right? Now, as always, let's start with the weekly time frame. As you can see, um, last week's candle was fully bullish. A small wicks, top and bottom, solid body, a strong volume, and combined with the week before, this tells us a momentum for a new uptrend is starting. Yeah, so now our high wave cycle is already bullish. Moving to the daily time frame, after creating a higher low and breaking the previous high, Bitcoin is now in a clear medium wave cycle uptrend. On Saturday and Sunday, it's basically reset and normal since institutions are closed. We can also see that from the low trading volume. So right now, Bitcoin is facing a key resistance. If it breaks, um, that will bring a strong momentum back into the market. Set your alarms. Another important note: earlier, Bitcoin was following an uptrend trend line with a solid uh, but mild angle. And now momentum is so strong that we are moving along a much sharper uptrend. So a very good sign for holding our lines. Let's zoom into the 4-hour time frame for long short triggers. Well, at 4-hour time frame, for long, I will be entering after a breakout of this resistance. Currently, it's testing this level. Um, and I will confirm the breakout on the 15-minute time frame. Since momentum is strong, tools like RSI become very useful here. Entry into overbought can act as confirmation, and of course, always prioritize increasing volume. For shorts, there's nothing here. Shorting is completely against the trend and very high risk. We'll only consider shorts after Bitcoin forms a daily lower high and lower low. Until then, patience. Quick check on BTC.D, Bitcoin dominance. On 4-hour time frame, yep, it just broke down its 4-hour range box and pulled back. Like I said before, this means altcoins are set to outperform because money is flowing from Bitcoin to altcoins. For example, the trigger I gave you on Ethereum already did 7% gain. That's the magic of dominance. When liquidity flows out of Bitcoin and into alts, you want to focus more there. And for Ethereum, the new line trigger would be breaking this resistance. This is our main resistance since in daily time frame and more. So set your alarms. Thanks for staying with me till the end of this analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's update. Have a great day or night. Peace out.